Bring in romance image and remove the background. Bring the second one, remove the background. Then go to flip and flip it horizontally. Resize it. After resizing it, then you download as PNG. Download, upload it back, then bring WWE ring background. Get a rectangle shape, change it to black, size up the page, reduce the transparency, and go to gradient color and just do what I just did. Now go to elements and bring a gradient, black gradient. Rotate it, duplicate it and rotate it. Duplicate the up one, then bring this image and remove the background. Size it up, go to image blender, choose fade, lean in. Watch what I'm doing. Redo this shrine to 0. Save it. Bring this one, remove the background. After this, go back to blend image again. Do the same thing, but this time around we're doing the leg. We only want to fade the leg. Redo this shrine, save it. Now bring a light, this color light. Go to layers. Drag it down. Now the name. Now go to effects and go to apps. Now choose this particular one. I choose this particular font I choose from there. I change the color to red depending on what I want. Then I choose the font I want. And then I customize it. I have to customize it to match what I want to do with it. Custom. Watch what I'm doing. You drag it. Now add to design. Delete the one you have already, then show this one. Now, the tribal chief, we have to change it to. Go to effects again, then go to apps. Go to apps. See the one we're using right now. Good. Now we change the color to white. Now we have to go and set it the way we want us to be, the way we want it to be. Yeah, we choose this one. Choose this one. Add to design. Now the WWE logo. Remove the background and set it well. Then we have to duplicate the light again to make it more obvious. Duplicate and bring it down there. We're done. And here is the final result. Follow for more.